began, and his personal relationship shaped the rest of his life. Here he experienced thought for a short time, freedom for the stigma of being an untouchable. Ambedkar later said that the best friends of his life were some of my classmates at Columbia and my great professor John Dewey, James Shotwell, Edwin Seligman, and James Harvey Robinson. At Columbia, Professor John Dewey, one of the best 20th century philosopher of education, became a hero to young Ambedkar. Ellen Gilliard highlights Dewey's influence on Ambedkar's rights. John Dewey's philosophy was particularly meaningful to Ambedkar, encouraged by his ideas that educated and political conscious people and could practically shape their own political future, that society would weed out the useless and value to the useful. Ambedkar absorbed many things from John Dewey's class at Columbia University. According to the Clark Black, Ambedkar wrote down every word touched by this great teacher. Ambedkar used to tell his friends that if Dewey died, I could recite every lecture of his verbatim. Gilliard further indicates that depth of his influence on Ambedkar. 30 years after Ambedkar sat in John Dewey's class, Mrs. Savita Ambedkar makes a touching account of John Dewey's distinctive classrooms and Ambedkar's style of thinking. It is impossible to find an imprint of a living guru or personality in Ambedkar's life story. But at least it can be said that he loved Dewey both as a philosopher and as a human being. Gilliard mentioned that Ambedkar was quite mature when he came in contact with Dewey among various professors of Columbia University. Dewey's ideas gave him a different insight to look at the world. In other words, it would be more appropriate to say that Ambedkar had developed a socio-political concept and sensibility based on Dewey's idea on democracy. Gilliard writes, those early years spent in America provided Ambedkar with fertile ground to develop his instinct and interest, and the experience here mainly strengthened him for his lifelong struggle for dignity and equality of his people. Thus, Ambedkar's experience in America and Dewey's influence strengthened his belief and intellectual tendencies which had already taken shape. In fact, it was Ambedkar's commitment to achieving dignity and equality for his own people, the untouchables, that aroused his interest in Dewey, as Dewey's ideas about the nature and goals of democracy appeared to Ambedkar as a means to achieve an inclusive democratic India. This also strengthened Ambedkar's insight into the Constitution as a means of empowerment and safeguard. Thus, he evaluated these democratic experiments with the Indian constitutions. John Dewey, born 20 October 1859 and died on 1 June 1952, was an American philosopher, psychologist, and educationist whose ideas deeply influenced education and society. Dewey was an important figure associated with the philosophy of pragmatism and was one of the founders of behavioral that needed to be addressed and rebuilt in order to promote the exercise of intellect and pluralism. Devi claimed that true democracy could not be achieved merely by expanding the franchise but also by ensuring that there was a fully formed public opinion based on mutual communication between citizens, experts, and politicians, and that politicians were responsible for the politics that result from this process.